Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Solpepe token. Ticker symbol is Solpepe, and this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, February 2nd, on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on the Solpepe token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Solpepe token. So this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow. Even though it's called Solpepe, this token is on the Binance Smart Chain. So it only has 3 holders so far. It's not even listed on Pancakeswap as of yet. 18 decimal places on this token. And there is a max total supply of 1 billion Solpepe tokens. You can follow their Telegram at Solpepe_chat, and over there they have 17,861 Telegram members. 492 of them are online, and their Twitter I'm going to put up right here as usual at Sol_Pepe_, 11,600 Twitter followers. It says a GameFi plus meme token that's built on Solana. So I'm assuming that they're going to have cross-chain eventually here and be on Sol as well. But right now, just Binance Smart Chain. Blue verified checkmark, 62 tweets. Now this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, February 2nd, 5 o'clock UTC time. This token will be listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Solpepe, and then simply just buy the token. It says, welcome to the extraordinary realm of Solpepe, a groundbreaking token set to redefine the crypto landscape. More than just a meme project, Solpepe is a fusion of humor and innovation, flourishing on the lightning-fast tracks of the Solana blockchain. Prepare for an exhilarating journey where laughter and gaming unite, paving the way for a unique experience that transcends traditional boundaries. Join us as we embark on this adventure, where every meme is a step towards gaming brilliance. Solpepe, where joy knows no limits and innovation knows no bounds. So they have a whole backstory, once upon a time, this and that, whatever happened. You can read about that at solpepe.meme. And then they have a document section, docs.solpepe.meme. We're not going to go over the story because that's just for the memes, but we're going to go over the information here. So they have a gaming platform they're working on. So it's a revolutionary gaming platform where laughter just doesn't echo through the gameplay. It resonates in your earnings too. Beyond being a source of joy, our gaming platform opens up to exciting opportunities for players to earn while they play. Solpepe's gaming platform is powered by the versatile Unity game engine, ensuring that every game is not just a visual treat, but a technology marvel. Embracing the simplicity and accessibility of 2D gameplay, Unity sets the stage for an immersive experience where laughter and earnings collide. Our gaming platform takes its initial bow on the web, providing instant access to a world where every play is a potential earning opportunity. As we fine-tune and expand, the laughter and earnings move seamlessly onto mobile devices, putting the power of play and profit right into your pocket. Solpepe's gaming platform isn't just a playground for fun, it's a dynamic arena for earnings. Each game is not only designed for entertainment, but also a gateway for potential rewards. Earn crypto, rewards, tokens, and more as you navigate through a diverse lineup of games, turning every gaming session into a delightful and profitable adventure. Solpepe's vision is clear. We're not just creating games, we're building a community where playing isn't just for fun, it's a pathway to earnings. Your skills, strategies, and even laughter contribute to the rewards waiting to be unlocked. Join us in redefining the gaming landscape where joy and earnings coexist in perfect harmony. Now, they have NFTs involved here. So, there's going to have NFTs on the gaming platform like characters. There's going to be in-game events, enhanced skills, bonus rewards. So the NFTs are going to give you certain access to different things. So all sorts of items, characters, things like that inside the game. You can buy, sell, and trade them. Now there's going to be PvP mode matches and challenge matches. There's going to be the Solpepe Bank, burning, development, and marketing. And they have the app information on here. So there's going to be adaptive settings, an inbuilt wallet, cross-platform compatibility on iOS, Android, etc. Tokenomics, it's on the Binance Smart Chain, 18 decimal places, 1 billion total supply. How the token is split up, 21% goes to game incentives, 18% sale, 27% liquidity, 15% goes to marketing, 9% team, 10% treasury. And they have a roadmap, basically starting with phase 1, preparing socials, then token generation, preparing documents, private sale, game development starts, phase 2, marketing push, gaming platform sneak peek, decentralized and centralized exchange listings, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap listings, gaming platform beta version launch, and then NFT sale. And then phase 3, tournament modes, PvPs, in-game NFT marketplace, more central exchange listings, and then more to come after that. Check it all out, solpepe.meme. Check out all the referral codes down there, especially that Mexc global one, where this token will be listed tomorrow. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this project? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.